Hey everybody, Steve here, and I'm stranded on the side of the road with the Tahoe. We had a transmission failure just now. Tried to shift into third gear and it went and started smoking like crazy. I'll show you the trail. There's a trail, came screaming around that corner right there. Ended up down yonder, right about there, came to a stop. At first I thought it was just antifreeze, but it was transmission fluid. So then I decided to try to nurse it home. I'm only a mile from home. And I got about right there. And I was real apprehensive about going out into traffic. So I just kind of let it sit there and went ahead and tried to engage. And I have no gears at all. So ended up right here. And here's where we're at. Oh, and there's the mess. So I'm gonna get a tow home. And got another project. I suppose if you're going to break down, there are worse places to break down. I got Dunkin' Donuts right here. So I'll go in while I'm waiting for AAA and give me some donuts. Isn't this got the makings of another YouTube video, huh? There we go. We're doing it again. So I'm in the tow truck and there's a Tahoe right behind me, and the guy stopped at QT to get himself some whatever it is that he gets. But anyhow, when I said lots more videos to come, I meant it. Lots more videos to come. It doesn't get any more real than this. So